What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing this Pixel 6a. But before we do that, first let's inspect its box. So this is the Japan version, and as you may see some Japanese text here. So this is the white color with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Like most smartphone boxes these days, they are all small as they want it to become more environmentally friendly. And without any further ado, let's unbox it now. So here it is, the Pixel 6a. One of the best budget Android phone last year. And my first impression, this phone looks beautiful. And it's much better in person when you see it. It's quite small and compact as well. And I really like the two-tone color and how unique its camera bar than the usual Android phones. I choose the white color because of how clean and premium it looks over the black and the mint color. We also have here the USB Type-C cables and also its USB OTG adapter. We also have here the SIM ejector tool with its paperwork in this box. So let's remove its plastic cover. So this phone really feels good in the hand with its small size. It does have an aluminum frame which reminds me of the iPhone 11, and they're almost the same level when comparing them both. It is well built and quite solid phone. So let's turn this on right now, and it's showing its Google logo and its animation. And here we are on the setup page. So let me set this up quickly. So everything is set up right now. The AMOLED panel is quite good and seems much better comparing it with other budget AMOLED phones. It doesn't have any 120Hz screen, so don't expect it to be super fluid. Its 60Hz screen is just fine and okay. What I like about this phone and what I'm looking forward to it is its Google Tensor and its software experience. This is powered by Android 13 and will be getting Android 14 soon. And I would like to test more with its performance and of course with its legendary camera. I like how it does have also waterproofing with an IP67 rating. It does have a big battery also for its size. And most importantly, I purchased it around $300 or 15,000 pesos, which is a good deal already for what this phone is already offering. So that is my unboxing and my first impression of Google Pixel 6a in 2023. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Adios.